it's been progressing week on week on week, and actually the joy of this project working with McLaren has been they've delivered what they said they'd deliver. I'm standing here on the second deck of the most spectacular view, looking at the spaces, which I can imagine now will be filled with thousands of people having an absolutely spectacular time.
This project from McLaren is a once-in-a-lifetime project. 25,000 extra square metres for ExCeL.
I feel excited, and I think for London this is an absolutely transformational piece of infrastructure which will enable people to use ExCeL and London in a different way. It'll draw in new people, it'll draw in new businesses.
And we actually put the shovel in the ground on the 16th of January. Here we are, 21st of November, 14,000 pieces of steel erected, 147,000 bolts put into the steel.
It will create memories, it'll create value, it'll drive import-export activities.
And what's been achieved so far has been extraordinary.